Hey, this is Jenna, and I wanted to give you a personal video invite to this week's e-marketing group out in Brandon. And I'm really excited about this week's speaker. It's e-marketing's own Joe Melanowski, a social media genius, is coming out to tell us all about the meat and potatoes of social media. So if you are wanting to get into social media or are already in it and wanting to improve, you have got to be at this meeting. He is going to talk about your 3 markets and how to capitalize on them, give you some awesome tips about viral growth, some really cool updates about what's happening with LinkedIn, and also what you have to do so that people take action on your offers. Because if people don't take action, then that is wasted time and money. So you have got to come out and see Joe. It's going to be an incredible presentation. So come out, brave the cold, have some hot Mexican food, and I'm super excited to see you there.